Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating to General Management. Once there, tap Samsung Keyboard because that's where Autocorrect lives. You don't need extras. Just enter Smart Typing to see Predictive Text and Auto Replace. Make sure Predictive Text is on if you want suggestions, or off to rely only on the dictionary. Once done, tap Text Shortcuts if you have custom replacements. This first step puts you directly into the controls you'll change next. Now you'll change how aggressive autocorrect behaves. You can toggle Auto Replace on to let the keyboard fix typos automatically, or turn it off to only suggest replacements. Choose depending on how often corrections misfire. Make sure Predictive Text is enabled if you prefer suggestions you can tap. Also open Personal Dictionary to add names and slang so they won't be corrected. Remove entries that you don't want suggested. These adjustments refine accuracy without uninstalling anything. Finish by testing typing in messages and notes. Try common problem words to verify changes. If autocorrect still misbehaves, clear the keyboard app cache or data from Settings app's Samsung Keyboard, then reboot the phone. This resets learned corrections. If problems persist, update the keyboard or system software, and as a fallback, switch to an alternative keyboard app. One key troubleshooting tip: if unexpected replacements keep appearing, delete those entries from your personal dictionary and restart to remove learned corrections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.